do this? Wait. How in the world did I do this? Oh my gosh. Whew. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead. It's a bit warm. It's already almost 50, so I don't really need that scarf anymore. Let me just put this. Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing good. Welcome to a day in the life. I'm gonna go over to, I'm a little bit disappointed because I was just over at Michael's and they do not allow me to film. They really didn't give me a logical explanation as to why not. I know it's a public area zone, but I don't know. I know some people allow you, some people don't. I like to ask just in case. I don't want to get in trouble or any type of embarrassment in front of people. So I always like to ask. So I couldn't do a whole lot over there. Now what I'm going to do is, if you guys can see, I have a dryer. It is so good, so good. It is still in great conditions. I don't use it, and because we're decluttering the home, because we're going to be moving soon, I have a couple of things that I want to donate, so that's where I'm heading over. And that's one that's such a good blow dryer. I have it for years and years, and it is so good. But I don't do any deep treatments anymore. Not bragging, but I do have a pretty decent healthy hair, and I don't need to use that anymore. I use other alternatives for a deep treatment. So that's where we're gonna go. I'm gonna take you guys along. I hope you guys are having a lovely day. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Jen. We would love for you to stay and become a part of this growing community. And I know it's red, but I'm gonna go because it doesn't say do not turn on red. Do not turn on red. So I can go. Yeah. So yeah, that's that. I don't know if this vlog will be all over the place. Maybe. But I hope you guys enjoy it. Alright, so I go to the Salvation Army. They're really good. They have like a drive-through. You don't even have to get out of the car if you don't want to, which is so amazing. And I'm just gonna do that. And we are here. I also use Green Drop, where you go online, you schedule it, and all you have to do is put your donations in front of your porch, and they will come and pick it up. You decide which organization you want that to go about. But here we are. But yeah. I don't know if you guys accept like a hair dryer.
Sure. Yeah, we'll take it.
Okay. So no clothing, you guys do.
Yeah, clothing. Yeah, for sure. That's not garbage. That's for clothing.
Oh, okay,
yeah.
okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, it just makes it way more efficient for us.
Okay.
When people drive up, we get extremely busy here, but there's like 5-6 cars in a row. Makes it really easy for us to take the clothing, put it there. When it fills up, roll it to the ladies at the table.
Gotcha.
Open up, separate.
Gotcha. Okay. I would like my bin back if you don't mind.
That I can't help you with.
Okay.
Because I don't have any bins right now, but
Okay.
I will tell you this: a lot
you
of
know
these
what?
books we don't take.
Okay.
Anyways.
Okay. So why don't we do this? Let's just
take out the stuff that
take out.
I think
Yep.
we can
Whatever
use.
you guys can donate and sell. And then you said these books, no, right?
Yeah, none of the books.
None of the books.
Well, any of the dictionaries or reference books we don't take at all.
Okay. This is a decor, no?
That's decor, yeah. We could take that, that's fine.
Okay, and then the other stuff is decor too. This is one last thing. Okay, yep. And that's it. Okay. All right, so I didn't know. I do have some books that what I can do is I can donate it to a library, and then I have some Bibles that I can go ahead and donate to a church. So I still want to do that. Not today, but I will definitely go ahead and do that then. Alright, so I came back to the Salvation Army. I removed my makeup and I also changed clothing. I don't know if you guys are like me, but if I know I'm gonna be home and I'm not gonna go out anymore, I like to just remove all of my makeup and change my clothing. Just like to be comfortable. Because I was wearing makeup, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to be preparing a mask. And the mask that I'm gonna do is coffee ground with honey. Now, this is only for oily girls like me. If you have dry skin, I do not recommend you doing this mask because it will suck the living out of you. Yeah. And you'll be looking like Sahara Desert. Yes. And we don't want that for you. No. But if you have normal to oily skin type, then you can go ahead and do this. I love doing it. It not only controls my natural oils, but it also helps me with inflammation. If I have like pimples that are inflamed, this helps it calm down. It helps it shrink quicker, and it also cleanses your pores. So a lot of good stuff in this mask for us oily to normal or combo skin. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. So what I do is, just for my face, I don't know, maybe like this, and then your choice of honey, and we're going to make a paste, guys, and lather this baby all over our face. So I think we're good. This is how it's supposed to look. There you go. It smells so good. And now, all right, so you guys are gonna be my mirror, because I just don't feel like going to the bathroom. But, you know, you just lather this, oh my, you just lather this baby all over. We're gonna leave this, I don't know for how long. I do want to hop on the treadmill and do a 3-mile walk, so I may stop and wash it off, but usually it's like 20-30 minutes. And then after you take it off, what you can do is you can actually go ahead and apply hyaluronic acid or a good moisturizer just to bring back a little bit more of that moisture back into your skin. It will feel dry, and you will be red, which is normal. It's just overall, and wrinkles. I've noticed wrinkles too. I don't know how, but it's also good for wrinkles. It's good for your skin. I like to do pace 3 to start, and then I can boost it up to probably up to 4.8. It all depends on the mood that I am at, how do I feel, but it's usually 3.2 all the way up to 4.8 when I'm walking. So I'll be here for a little bit. At least I'm getting my steps in. Ladies, don't forget to do your steps. Don't forget to do your steps. If you can't make it outdoors, get one of these. I'll link it down below. Got it from Amazon. I've been having it since, it's gonna be a year actually, in November. Yes, it's already been a year that I have this treadmill. It still works perfect. I love it. So I'll link it down below. I do my runs. It's been a while I don't do runs, but you can also run and you can walk. If you do work from home and you're able to get up and do your steps while you're walking, this is great for that too. Yes, it's a good one.